Hi everyone, this is Chris Monroe down here at Porsche Halifax 3363 Kempt Road. Just wanted to take a quick moment to explain our Porsche Certified program. So what Porsche Certified does is it gives you a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty extension on the car. You also have the peace of mind knowing that there's been a 111-point inspection done on a Porsche Certified vehicle, done by our trained and certified technicians. You can certify a car that is up to 12 years old or has 200,000 kilometers. Take, for example, these two. These are both 2012s. We have a Cayman S Black Series as well as a 911 Carrera 4 GTS. Both of these vehicles have the 2-year unlimited mileage warranty on top of them. The other beautiful thing about Porsche Certified is that as long as the maintenance is kept up to date, you can add on additional years of warranty. So say, for example, you were to buy this beautiful Oslo blue Targa 4 GTS or this lovely Python green Boxster GTS 4.0. As long as the maintenance is kept up to schedule and is still within warranty, you can choose to extend that warranty until the car is either 200,000 kilometers or 12 years old. It's a really, really great way to own a Porsche with the peace of mind knowing that you're covered. Visit us down here at 3363 Kempt Road if you want to see more of our Porsche certified inventory.